Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to isolate, hide, fade a body part or a certain bone that you have selected on this skeleton bone on the Complete Anatomy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, select an atlas and a model, and then tap on the skeletal button down below. After that, you should tap on a bone that you are interested in on the skeletal, and then tap on either isolate to isolate it from other body parts, then zoom in and out to check it out closely, and then tap on the button back. You can also hide it. You can fade it, hide the others, or fade the others, and you can check out the relevant part you are interested in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.